Additional or replacement carafe. Fits Capresso model number 464, CoffeeTeamGS. Replacement of additional carafe for the Capresso CoffeeTeamGS coffee maker. Features drip-less spout with handle and top made of heat-resistant material. Top reviews from the United States. Capresso 10-cup CoffeeTeamGS grind and brew coffee maker. I had used a different grind and brew coffee pot prior to the Capresso. One of the parts broke, and I am addicted to the convenience of automatic grind and brew first thing in the morning. I went to a local shop that sells high-end cookware, cookbooks, etc. to purchase a replacement, but they didn't carry that brand any longer. They steered me to the Capresso, which I purchased. Makes excellent coffee, is simple to operate. Over the last 5 years I have had to replace a lost coffee basket, a broken carafe, and a basket assembly. In all cases, I receive the items within 2 days. I also order the water filters for the CoffeeTeam from them. Customer service was great on the phone, and parts have always arrived as promised. Love the Capresso CoffeeTeamGS coffee maker, and love the service from the provider.